Hey everyone, it's Rob from Spektrum and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're unboxing and setting up the Spektrum 10-inch Onyx ring light. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Spektrum 10-inch Onyx ring light. Follow us on social media, spektrum.aurora, and visit our website, spektrum-brand.com. So let's take a closer look at what's included with the Spektrum 10-inch Onyx ring light. Firstly, you have the light stand. Then you have the camera ball head mount. Then you have two standard mobile brackets. You have a third mobile bracket that features a flexible gooseneck. Then you have a bracket that supports the three mobile brackets for multi-device holding. You've got the instruction guide with the setup instructions. And lastly is the ring light itself. The Onyx 10-inch ring light features a small compact light stand. To set this up, loosen the bottom knob. This releases the legs. You can use two hands to expand the legs out and fold them in the opposite direction to make a tripod. The light stand itself features three segments, and these extend up to a total of 162 centimeters in height. And to collapse the light stand down, simply do everything in reverse. So loosen the knobs to reduce the segments down to the minimum height. Then loosen the knobs for the legs and fold the legs back up in the opposite direction. To set up your 10-inch Onyx ring light, firstly, grab the camera ball head and screw this into the bottom of the ring light. Next, grab the flexible gooseneck with the mobile bracket and loosen the round circle screw so there's enough clearance there to slide it into the cold shoe plate. Then, screw to tighten. The next step would be to get the mobile bracket holder, and you can screw the camera ball head mount to the mobile bracket holder. This is now ready to be mounted to your light stand. Find the bottom mounting point and line this up to the top of your light stand and screw to tighten. The great thing about the 10-inch Onyx ring light is that you can use this with multiple smartphone devices. And now your ring light supports three mobile devices. The Onyx ring light features USB power. So that means you can power it with a wall adapter such as this, a portable charger, or even plugging it into your computer or laptop. To do this, plug the USB into the device. Make sure that the charger is either plugged in or you've turned on the portable charger. Then what you'll notice is the LED light should illuminate. Press down this and it turns on the ring light. And now you have full adjustment. Some of the features of the Spektrum Onyx 10-inch ring light include that it has a 360-degree ball head mount. It supports multiple smartphone devices, a total of 3. It features full dimming control with 10 stops of brightness. It features 3 color temperature adjustable settings, 3200 Kelvin, 4400 Kelvin, and 5600 Kelvin. It's USB powered, so that means it can be powered by a laptop, a USB outlet charger, and also a portable charger. It features a CRI rating of 85+. The outer diameter is 26 centimeters or approximately 10 inches, and the inner diameter is 20 centimeters or approximately 8 inches. The great thing about the Onyx ring light is that it supports multiple smartphone devices. As you can see here, we have one mounted on the right side, one in the center, and then lastly, one on the left side. The main reason you'd be using multiple devices is so that you can stream on multiple platforms, as the Onyx ring light is perfect for live stream. A great optional accessory is the mini desk stand. This is a small stand and perfect if you have limited floor space. If you're wanting to mount the 10-inch Onyx ring light onto a tabletop surface such as this, all you need to do is loosen that knob and push down on the center column to expand the legs. And similar to the larger light stand, you have a mounting point at the top of the stand that matches to the bottom of the bracket of the ring light. Screw this into place. And And once you've done that, you've securely mounted it to the mini desk stand. So that was just a quick unboxing and setup of the Spektrum 10-inch Onyx ring light. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release, leave a like on the video if it's helped you, feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Spektrum 10-inch Onyx ring light. Follow us on social media, spektrum.aurora, or visit our website, spektrum-brand.com.